Hi everyone! Today we're making my super easy, super moist banana bread recipe. Let's go! Now it's pretty hard to find a banana bread recipe that isn't good in my opinion. I've tried so many over the years, but I always come back to this one because it's the easiest to make. You can throw this all together in just one bowl for easy cleanup, and it's prepped and in the oven in just a few minutes. You'll start by using 3 to 4 over-ripened bananas. The riper the better for banana bread since they get sweeter as they brown. This is the perfect recipe for those brown bananas sitting on your counter all week. You'll mash those up in a mixing bowl using a fork, and it's okay if they get a little chunky. I actually pre-mashed mine in a separate bowl, but that's not necessary. Into the mixing bowl, you're going to add 1/3 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and give that a stir. If you're enjoying these recipe videos, please don't forget to help us out by liking and subscribing for more. Once that's all mixed together, you're going to add in a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Then add in 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I always make sure to sift the flour to avoid chunks and inconsistent textures when baking. Trust me, it's worth the extra 5 seconds. Stir that all together until you have a nice thick batter. This is where you can add in any mix-ins that you'd like. We like to add chocolate chips, walnuts, or blueberries. Pour the batter mixture into a greased loaf pan. I typically use butter, but you could use cooking spray or oil as well. Spread that evenly throughout the pan. You'll bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. I usually check it after 45 and see if the top is nice and brown. If it is, you can go ahead and take it out and see if it's done. When it's done, a toothpick or knife will come out clean. I love making this recipe ahead for the week. It's great for a quick breakfast, a snack, or even dessert, and you can serve it warm or cold. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try and if you love it as much as we do. Enjoy!